Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the gold price has moved in the last week and how the gold price can move in the next week. If you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen that gold is currently trading at around 1849.82. okay, and this is a particular U pattern once and this is the particular U pattern twice. The first time and second time the same pattern is repeating. It is just that since 2012 to 2022 this pattern has created, and this from 2020 to 2022, and it's continuing. Okay, and one more thing, that after this particular it has made a high and now it is verge of going upside. Before we move forward in gold, if you have any doubt regarding that, mail me, and with any other commodities also you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in gold and other commodities are working, and even forex. And wish to join my telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. See, now look at the chart. There was a continuous rise, okay, and then fall, range bound, and again rise, and now we can see again a upside movement. And this particular green candle has made a low of around 825 and a high of around 1873. Okay, now currently trading at around 1849. Suppose if this particular level sustain, what we can see it can go and touch a level of 1855. okay, and once this level goes upside, what we can see, it can go further high and can touch a level of 1873. okay, and once if it sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 1881. okay, and from there we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of 1910. okay, so once this 1910 sustain, what we can see, it can go further upside and can touch a level of 1920, and then we can see it can move further upside, and then there will be a cup pattern form, so we can see it can go further high. Okay, now see, market is uncertain, you cannot see that it will go continuously in one direction, and you have to understand something, that if it cannot go something like this as a straight line, it will go like this. okay, so it has to move forward, it will halt for some time and then move upside, halt for some time and then move upside, not a straight line you can see. Okay, in the same way you will not see a straight line coming down, you will see like, okay, so if you can figure it out like this, you have to follow proper price action, so that only you will understand that where the market goes. And okay, now if you look at the price, suppose if this level didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if this level didn't sustain, we can see it can come down to a level of 1839. okay, and once this level didn't sustain, we can see it can come down again to a level of 1826. okay, and once this 1826 also didn't sustain, then we can see a probability of touching 1813 will be there. okay, so if it goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1791. okay, and if it goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1784. okay, suppose if the price goes below that level, then we can see as a probability of touching 1778 will be there, and from there we can see a level of 1758. okay, suppose if the price goes below that level, then we can see a probability of going towards a level of 1747, and from there we can see it can move towards a level of 1723. okay, so these are some of the points where if it didn't sustain this particular level supports, we can see it can move further down, and then we can see a trend towards move down. Now suppose if you are trading and investing, please consult the advisor before you invest and trade. And so I teach some of in my workshop. See, if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade, 1000 to 1500. okay, that is 10 to 15% of capital that you trade with. Now risk should be 0.5 to 1%, that comes to $50 to $100. okay, so now suppose if you take even 5 trades a day and all these you lost, you will now lose maximum of $500. okay, so you will not be in a mood of recovering that particular amount rather than you can focus more on profit. Getting me? What people do is they lose most of their capital. That means rather than 500 they lose 5000 or 3000. Then they try to recover that particular amount the next day, which in turn lose their full capital. This is what the most of the trader do. I teach in my workshop how to overcome all these barriers and how to take entry and exit in the and few strategies which I teach in my workshops. If you want to attend, you can mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.